Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me. Hey everybody, what's up? As you can see, it's Shalii here, guys, with a special guest.
Hi, I'm Deja.
This is my friend Deja, guys. I'm actually out on a girls' weekend right now, and I said that I'd do a quick video for you guys. I'm so tired. As you can see, I'm in my bonnet, but I don't care. But guys, as you can see by the title, today we'll be doing the would you rather questions, guys. We're gonna try to make it a little interesting. Can you open back your phone, guys? Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on your post notifications. Tell a friend to come and subscribe, cause who don't
subscribe?
You heard? Who would want to be a part of the life gang? So let's get straight into the video. So guys, I have a phone with some would you rather questions. I'm gonna try to find some juicy one for you guys, cause you know the shop. So the first one I see here, is would you guys, I'm trying to find some spicy ones.
Jesus.
Not like spicy, but yeah.
Give me my shirt. I can't even see it, it's backwards.
Would you rather lose all your teeth or lose a day of your life every time you kiss someone? Oh.
I'll lose a day of my life because I never know when I'm gonna die anyway.
Yeah, and I don't be kissing a lot of people.
Period.
So that's the trick there. I'm gonna type in spicy because some of these already have. Give me a minute, guys. Okay. Oh, that's too spicy. Not too spicy. Okay. Would you rather give up your phone or only wear Crocs for the rest of your life?
That's what I do anyway.
I'll wear the Crocs. I ain't giving up my phone. My phone is too. My phone is how I make money most of the time. So my phone is important. Would you rather clog the toilet on a first date or first date at a new job? First date? No. Girl, new job. I don't care about the job, but my first date? Which one?
It all depends on where the date is. Like, if it's like in the bathroom at the restaurant, ain't nobody gonna know who did it.
Girl, that's embarrassing. Would you rather be 3 feet tall or 8 feet tall? Oh, that's a hard one.
Well, I'm 5'5", and I know the taller you are, the more your knees hurt. And
give me the 3 feet. Pick me up. You can pick me up.
Pick me up.
Pick me up. Would you rather a nose that never stops growing or ears that never stop growing? Ears. I can always hide my ears with like some hairstyles.
But what if it keep growing? Like it like blocks your hair. So I'm like, what if it's like?
But you rather the nose though? Listen, that's in front. Everyone's seen that. I'll take the ears. I could try to do something about that, but the nose, that's on your face. Everyone has seen that.
I agree. Ears.
Oh. Would you rather dominate or be dominated? I'm very dominated.
I'll be dominated.
Yeah.
Because I don't like being that lead most of the time.
Yeah, I'll be dominated. Would you rather sleep with someone on the first date or wait 6 months?
6 months.
6 months. I know it doesn't
Until
really
I
matter.
Get married. How about that? Jesus.
Amen. Wait until marriage, y'all.
Marriage.
Wait. I'm a Christian. I'm a nun. Ooh, Jesus. This question. Would you rather do the nasty in the shower or on the kitchen table? The shower. The kitchen table is where I eat at. So the shower, please. No, not where I eat. Not where I eat.
Not where you eat.
Would you rather accidentally send a naughty picture to your dad or your boss? Ooh.
What type of question is that?
Not my dad. My boss. Sorry, not my dad. My boss. My boss can be a woman, so. But my dad,
It's a whole different look. Like,
Would you rather walk in on your parents or have them walking on you? Yeah, I'll walk in on them. I can't have my parents see me. No, you're laughing. It's for real. I can't have my parents see. I can't.
Well, I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing. So.
Oh yeah, she.
I don't.
Married. Would you rather be stuck in a phone box with 10 snakes or 10 what is this? What animal is that?
Tarantulas.
What animal is that?
It's like them big spiders.
Oh,
The tarantulas, because they're not poisonous.
Yeah, I don't like snakes. I don't like snakes.
No
Stay away
serpents.
from me with that. Okay. Would you rather have a face of a pension of a prisoner with the body of a 20 years old, or the body of a prisoner with the face of a 20? I don't. That's the question is stupid. Yeah.
Stupid.
Would you rather be funny but really stupid, or boring but really smart? Boring and smart.
Boring and smart.
Boring and smart.
I'm a mixture of both of them in reality, though.
Would you rather have long arms as long as Mr. Tickles, or legs as short as E.T.? Who's Mr. Tickles though?
I don't know.
These questions are weird. No wonder I said weird would you rather questions. Would you rather not be able to taste or not be able to see colors?
Not be able to see colors because I like to eat.
Yeah, I like to eat. I have to taste my food now. It makes no sense eating if you're not tasting it.
Right. Well, besides the nourishment and everything.
Yeah.
But who wouldn't want to?
Oh, this is intense. Would you rather know how to die or when you're going to die? I'd rather to know when, because at least I can try to do as much stuff. I don't want to know
hard.
how. I don't want to know how. I'm gonna be paranoid if I know how. I want to know when, so my family can
die in a
prepare.
car crash. I'm not ever getting in a car. I'm not ever walking near a car.
Yeah, I rather know
But
when.
I wouldn't want to know when either, because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna die soon.
No, but look at the bright side. When you know when, at least you can live. You know, like some people, like when they have cancer, the doctor gives them a couple months. They try to do everything before that time. So I rather know when. Would you rather be able to change the past or see into the future? The past is the past. I want to see the future. You learn from the past.
You learn from the past. I would want to change. Well, I would change some things, but everything is like a butterfly effect.
Yeah.
So if you change the past, it may change something in the future.
That's true.
So.
Would you rather find your passion or the love of your life? That's hard. The love of my life or my passion. My passion, because that's what I'm made to do. Yeah.
What God gifted us to do and set us to do. Yeah.
Would you rather have an intelligent partner or a good-looking partner? Intelligent.
Looks don't matter. People get old.
These good-looking boys be cheating. They ain't loyal.
These ain't loyal.
Yeah, you heard that? Would you rather know how the world began or how it will end? I don't know if I'm gonna be alive when it ends. So how it began? I want to see how this world came off.
I know, because I read the Bible.
Yeah, I know, but I want to see it.
I want to see it progress and everything. We see a lot in nature though, but we know it's gonna end by fire, and we know it started by God.
Who knows? We might all die before we get to see. Yeah. Would you rather be able to fly or be able to turn invisible? Fly. I want to fly. I fly to Jamaica and fly back.
Oh, you talking about speed fly? Oh wait, that sounds fun.
Invisible. I want to fly. I can go wherever I want to go. Invisible, just for you to sneak around. That's not fun. I want to fly, girl. I be
want to fly, girl.
I be seeing them birds, and I be bad man in those birds.
I can fly.
I want to fly. What would you rather do?
I don't know. I just always say.
What would you rather, fly or be invisible?
Be invisible.
Really? I want to fly.
I want to hit by an airplane.
Girl, I'ma fly and look. I'ma fly and look. I'm not gonna just, you know. Let me find some more. I wanna try this for 10 seconds. Hard ones. Would you rather live low life with your love loved one or rich life all alone? I want to live with my loved one. I love my family. I'm a family person, so.
Right, and I ain't never always had money. You know, Susan have money now, but I never always had money, so I really,
money don't buy happiness.
period. Say it again.
Would you rather speak to animals or know what other people are thinking? I don't want to know no one thought. That's gonna mess me up. I'm not gonna be able to walk in peace because
everybody's gonna. Have you ever seen What Men Want?
Yeah,
and all the men.
I want to speak to animals so they can tell me when stuff is gonna happen. I can know what's coming and
right.
this.
Yeah, I can tell them not to eat me because I'm gonna go with the lions and tigers and bears, and they're gonna be like, oh, she know what I'm talking about. She the homie. I'm like, yes, don't eat me.
Would you rather find everlasting love or the cure of cancer, or find the cure for cancer? Cancer, because there's a lot of people dying from cancer.
Yeah, I'd rather help the help the humanity. I'd rather help humanity than myself. I mean, love will come eventually.
Would you rather be trapped in a sandstorm or snowstorm?
We've been trapped in a snowstorm.
Oh,
We was.
What you said?
We've been trapped both.
Yeah, we've been
really
in a desert.
Which one was worse?
The snow.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never been trapped in either.
In a sandstorm, it was like kind of like a tornado, and it would just sand everywhere blowing. And if your windows down the car, and you just.
I'll take the snow. I'll take the snow.
I'll take
sand is.
I'll take the sand because the snow was cold. I don't like the cold. And
I like the cold.
Our power came out in the snow.
Oh,
another source of coldness.
Yeah.
No TV.
What? This
no
is funny.
water.
Would you rather have 3 nipples or 1 nipple? Oh, 3.
Where the other one go? Right in the middle?
One working just be.
I see you.
I take 3 nipples, please. I can't one walking over to 1 nipple.
I think the famous people have 3.
At least if I have 3, I can get rid of 1. Do a surgery to take away 1. But if I have 1, what am I do?
Put a pepperoni.
Let me see. Would you rather spend your last moments with your family, or do something really totally crazy you always wanted to do? With family. I treasure family so much.
Yeah.
So I'll pick my family. Yeah.
I mean, you can do crazy stuff every day.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna throw in about like 4 more questions and then we'll end the video. Okay. Would you rather be stuck on the moon or freeloading in space?
None of them got food.
On the moon or space? I don't want to be just flying around in
I don't
space.
wanna be
Anything
out
can
there
just stop
anyway.
me.
Right.
I'll take the moon.
Yeah.
Would you rather tell everyone of your guilty pleasures or never partake in any of your guilty pleasures ever again? I'll tell someone. No, tell everyone. Oh, I be having some serious thoughts. Oh Lord, this is a hard one. Tell everyone or never partake. I don't know. What would you do?
That's hard.
That's hard.
I don't have that many guilty pleasures. Like something.
Girl, my mind is. Let me tell you.
Well, like guilty pleasures are like what exactly? Like things you think of, or
like,
things that you partake in.
Things that I enjoy, like weird stuff that you enjoy. You don't want no one to know. I'll tell everyone because I ain't gonna stop it. I don't care. I'll tell everybody.
Well, wait. Will they stop just like all by themselves? Like if you don't tell nobody.
Yeah, you have to. If you want to stop doing it, basically.
Well, I'll tell everybody. You can tell everybody.
Would you rather throw up unconscionably every time you speak to the opposite sex, or be attracted to the smell of the doo-doo and frequent random bathroom because of it, and visit random bathroom because of it? So basically, would you rather vomit? Yeah. So basically, would you rather vomit every time you speak to a male, or you enjoy smelling poo, so you keep on going to bathroom to smell it?
That's ew.
This is an hard one.
That's nasty.
But throwing up every time you talk to someone though, a guy though, that's weird.
That
I'll take the poo, cause no one gonna be knowing I'm doing it anyway.
Yeah, you be running. Oh, why you always in the bathroom?
I don't know. This is an hard one.
In the bathroom. What you doing? You smelling my stuff?
For real. So we walking up past, I'm like a dark poo on the floor, and we stopped to.
And you gonna like hurry from sniffing.
This is a hard one. What would you do though? Which one?
I'll probably just throw up.
Every time you speak to a man?
Yeah.
So you say I love you
You
girl,
want to take me as I am because
I-
I'm not feeling no dookie.
I can't do that's gonna be Would you rather control other people's emotion near you or control time?
Time, because there's never enough time in a day, never
That's
enough
so
time
true.
in a year, and I don't wanna have the power to control somebody else's emotions because people gotta feel what they gotta feel, you know.
Yeah. Would you rather wear a tux everywhere you go or wear a bathing suit? Oh Lord. Can I cover up the bathing suit though? Me in a tux?
Is it cold? Because
I pick the bathing suit. Me in a tux.
I'll wear a woman's tux, but I'll pick the bathing suit too if it's not cold.
So yeah guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I just wanted to give you guys something. I know it's not, but please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much for tuning into Shali's Life Gang, you know my lover now. With my special guest here again, guys. The others are tired, as you say, we're tired, so they couldn't be in the video. Can you wave? Can you keep waving? Just wave to the camera. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We out.
Bye.
You're still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?